sun, it's Christmas. The fire crackling gently all the while. Snow is falling down, guess everything's just right. But I'll be wishing you were here with me. Everywhere I go, it's Christmas. Our town filled with wonder and delight. The season to rejoice brings everybody close. But I'll be missing you right next to me. Feels kinda lonely when you're a million miles away. But maybe there's a star to lead the way. 'Cause I wanna hold you when Santa's coming round, and kiss you right beneath that mistletoe. Some goodwill to this man, since now I got my wishes down to one. Oh, so check out my list, 'cause I've already got it done. I only pray that you were here with me. I wish that you were right here next.
That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Let's see, drum roll please. Let's see if you got the zodiac sign right. Virgo. I felt like a wreath, a very classic wreath, was a very Virgo thing. Just very elegant, put together, a garland, a wreath. It's just something that I felt a Virgo would put up in their home. Something very like aesthetic, but an elegant aesthetic. So this is that look right here, and this is the very last look, part of my 12 Days of Christmas graphic liner series. Thank you guys so much for tuning into all of them. I appreciate you so much, to the moon and back. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see a similar series to this one, but for Valentine's Day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
On this special night, and here we are in the car on our way back home, to be with those we love the most.